Hi friends, welcome to this monthly market update from Mahindra Manulife Mutual Fund. We share our key thoughts on markets, economy and way we see things going ahead. Let's talk economy first. India post the unlock is opening up and on the way to normalization. Depending on which indicator which we track, we are moving somewhere at 40% to 80% on a year-over-year comparison vis-a-vis what we did last year. Auto sales, GST collection, electricity consumption, power and fuel consumption, these are the various macro parameters which we track. Our broad idea is that all of these indicators will slowly move towards 85-95% range, which we expect to play out over next 3-4 months period. So somewhere around September October is what we expect this to normalize. The only other thing to monitor in this perspective is the demand. So this is all supply, where supply normalizes, and we also expect that next 2-3 months will give us idea about how the demand normalizes. As same period again, September October. Markets clearly are moving on liquidity support, both globally and in India. Market mood is favoring a bullish phase because there's a belief, especially globally, that central banks can continue to provide unlimited amount of money, which can take the pain away from the economy. Let's see. It's too early to really conclude whether central banks' combined power of money can really influence the market behavior, or some sort of a normalization will come down, because while we are still talking, uh, the coronavirus spread is still on the rise, and to that extent, till a medical solution is really found out on the virus, we may not really be so bullish phase without the central bank liquidity. So one thing to monitor really is how the global liquidity support from central banks are coming up, and that's going to create the risk more environment, and how India shapes up in that risk atmosphere is what we are seeing. We had a good month in June in terms of market being bullish. So let's see how going ahead next 2-3 months view really is that we start seeing the corporate results in next 15 days or so. Mid July the result season starts. That's the first indication we will get about how Indian corporates have seen and gone through this first quarter, where broadly a more significant portion of time was under a lockdown. Coming to India as a macro thought, honestly, while the quarter one or quarter two may not be as great, uh, let's not forget the big picture. The big picture is that rural India is doing pretty good right now while we are talking. Whether it's government of India focus, whether it's a normal monsoon, whether it's a high agricultural crop, and the structural reforms of APMC dismantling, etc., done last month. Broadly, the rural India is pretty much on a right track for growth and for Indian economy, where significant portion of economies depend on rural India. We do expect rural India to play out very nicely, supporting the Indian economy in this particular next 6 months period. From market side, investors, we continue to advise that please use this 6 months period, where there are going to be a lot of conflicting news flows on economy, on virus, on central bank policies, and these are likely to create some volatilities. So better use this opportunity to be in the market by buying at some sort of a systematic way, or some sort of a smart way, where you choose your own targets and decide to put in money on those particular targets to be when they are achieved on markets. So that's mainly from my end. Happy investing, everyone. Bye.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.